Introducing San Pancho Soho, an exclusive group of homes nestled in the heart of Riviera Nayarit, between the Sierra Madre Range and the stunning beach coast. The homes have either 2 or 3 bedroom options, which are all beautifully designed with high ceilings and high-end finishes. Like perota wood throughout, known for its beauty, durability, and resistance to the elements. But the natural jungle vibe goes way beyond the wood finishing. Future plans incorporate the use of greenery, rooftop gardens with 360 views of the jungle, outdoor living spaces, and eco-friendly materials like solar panels for renewable energy. Outside, you'll find much more. Soho is a housing social environment with a communal pool that'll be designed to create a lazy river feel, surrounded by greenery, all enclosed within a gated complex. Beyond the gates, a beautiful rustic world to discover. Soho is only a 15 minutes walk to the beach, and if you got a golf cart, it's only 5 minutes away. San Pancho, officially San Francisco on the map, is known for its boho chic surfer vibe, with its quaint town, its pristine white sandy beaches, and its tropical mountain views. There's really something for everyone. Fish tacos on the beach, or high-end exclusive beach clubs. Though tourism has grown considerably in recent years, San Pancho continues to give off a calm, quiet, eco-friendly vibe, and Soho will embody all of that. Make Soho your new getaway or next smart investment. After all, it's the only pre-construction in San Pancho for under $500,000. Go to mexhome.com to make it happen.